let's talk about aftershave beard products, beard oil and beard balm in particular today, because the guys at Ernest Thomas & Co sent me some wonderful aftershave products quite some time ago now. I've only just got round to recording this review, but I've used these products and I actually really enjoy using them. So they sent me a beard oil and a beard balm. Now, these products aren't completely natural from looking at the ingredients. There's a bunch of stuff I'm not too familiar with, and I used to make all natural products as a little side hustle, so I kind of get what the ingredients could look like if they're all natural, and it kind of gives me the feeling that they're either making them themselves using like a formula base, or they're outsourcing. I haven't actually asked them, and it really doesn't matter because these products are great. You don't always have to go for purely all natural products unless that's your preference. So the scents are an aftershave scent. If you look on their website, they say they've got sort of citrusy and floral notes. I mean, I always struggle to pick out notes from aftershave unless they're patchouli based, and that's because patchouli sticks out like a sore thumb to me, mostly because I'm not the biggest fan. Although that's kind of changing recently. So the beard oils and balms are great. The beard oil kind of lingers on the beard a little bit longer than I ideally would like it to. So maybe there's a little bit of grease to it, but you know, just be patient. Let it ease into the hair, ease into the skin. Maybe for say 5 minutes before you put some balm on. The balm is pretty good actually. It's easy to whack at the tin, easy to work into the beard. It goes in and kind of has the same residual sort of effect that the beard oil has. I think grease probably is a bit too much. I think it just takes a little bit longer to absorb than some other beard products that I've used. Now, just jumping back to the scent, because really for me that's the most important thing with these products. It's a strong aftershave scent. For me, you don't really need to wear any aftershave if you're wearing these products because the scent lasts all day long. It's strong, punchy, and like I said, it's hard for me to pick out whether there is any sort of citrus notes or things like that. It just smells like a very classic manly scent. It's a manly smell. So yeah, it's good. So let's just jump in to the scores, because one thing I really love about these products is the packaging. Very classic. It's even got their grandfather's signature on the tins or the bottles, and that kind of comes full circle to something that I've not mentioned, in that the company is owned by 3 brothers, which I think is awesome. A small little family run business making products that their granddad would have been proud to maybe wear, to use, or to recommend to his friends. Like, that's cool, really cool. So let's just talk about packaging. For beard oil and the beard balm, I'm definitely gonna score at maximum marks. They both get 10s. They look awesome. The scent easily gets a 9. I enjoy it. I get a lot of good use out of it. My partner loves it. So overall, really good scent from the guys at Ernest Thomas & Co. The consistency of the products, like the beard oil feels good, the beard balm feels good, good textures, no real grittiness or graininess in the balm. The oil doesn't feel too heavy, too light. It's quite a good medium consistency. So yeah, overall gets a 9. Price wise, it's quite sort of average in terms of what everyone else does, sort of 10 to 16 pounds when you'll get a beard oil or a beard balm, and I think you can even get like a gift set from them, and it obviously comes down in price a little bit there. So really good price for the products. They get 9s. In terms of the finish, I want to score the beard oil slightly lower than the beard balm. So the beard oil gets an 8 just because it kind of lingers on the beard for a bit longer than I personally like. And the beard balm gets a solid 9. So really good scores overall for the products. The beard oil gets 45 and the beard balm gets 46 out of 50. Great products. Definitely go check them out. Pick a product up from them in, you know, whenever you can, really show them some support. I mean, I just really like what they do. The branding is just perfect. You should definitely go and check out my unboxing video, because the packaging that it came in was some of the best I've ever come across from any brand, let alone a beard care brand. So yeah, do that. I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.